This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's my pleasure to be here with you, helping you learn to play the guitar. In this video, we're going to work on reading 4 melodies together that are in the key of B flat major. So we have 2 flats in the key of B flat major, B flat and E flat. Of course, we'll be reading these in open position or first position, as that is the focus of this lesson series. And as we're working on playing these melodies, we're going to be playing them right along with the band. So we're going to be jamming with the band, as I have recorded bass, drums, and guitar accompaniment to go along with us here in this video. So we do get to play along with that, which makes it super fun. This video accompanies lesson 14 from my note reading books 1 and 2 method book. In the book, we're going to start on page 92 with number 12. We're going to play numbers 12, 13, 14, and 15, which are on pages 92, 93, and 94. But we'll be starting there on page 92. Each one of these songs is going to happen twice, of course, first at a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. So you have 2 different tempos you can work it at. If that slower tempo is too fast, of course you can slow the video down and use a slower speed that you can work it at, or just pause the video, get it happening at a okay tempo, bring it up to speed to the tempo that the video is at, and then play right along with me. But fumbling through doesn't really help you develop your technique. So if you have a spot or some spots that you're struggling with, then you want to slow that down, work it, get it comfortable, and then try playing it along with me and the band, which is super, super fun. B flats and E flat should be familiar by this point if you've been going through the lesson series, but let's just go ahead and review where they are. We have the 2 B notes that we can play as B flat that we see there on the staff in first position, and then E flat as well. So that B flat, the lower one, is at the 1st fret of the 5th string, and then the one that sits in the center of the staff is at the 3rd fret of that 3rd string. For the E flat at the bottom, on the bottom line of the staff, we got the 1st fret of the 4th string, and the E flat that's at the top space of the staff is at that 4th fret of the 2nd string. So that's where those 2 notes are. Everything else is played as a natural note. Just the B notes and the E flat notes are altered and played as flats. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these songs together. Okay, awesome. I hope you are having fun with this. In the next video, we're going to be working our way into lesson 15 in the note reading book, where we're going to take a look at triplets. So we're going to get some more complexity happening with the rhythms, which will be great. So I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.